Hi guys, and welcome to another Stephen Mendes video. We're trying out a thing or two here, and we're trying to make these videos faster using the computer and using the webcam. So bear with me for a little bit today and see what happens. What we're doing today is we're trying to teach you the following three things. We're trying to show you how to quickly make a memory control map to download into your A Pro that completely controls your FA-06 from your A Pro and gives you the extra keyboard to play with a different tone, so that you can essentially have two manuals, two keyboards with two completely different tones, but we'll be playing everything through the FA-06. We now open the sound list. As you can see, this is the FA-06, 7 and 8 sound list, which is a PDF documentation that you get from Roland, and we have to use this to look up the MSB, LSB and PC numbers. You notice they have an MSB, an LSB and a PC number for every preset on the entire instrument. So we're looking for the specific tones that we want, and we are going to get the numbers from here. And we are going to look for sweet poly 1, and there's one exact match of it, and here it is, 95, 67, 34. Now at this point in time, I would tell you that when you buy an instrument, whether it's a hardware or a software synthesizer, and it's got 13,000 presets or some ridiculous number like that, have you got any idea how long it takes for you to listen to 13,000 presets, even to hear one or two notes at each preset? That is ridiculous. Furthermore, many of those presets are going to differ in maybe only a very, very slight way. Probably just one might be a little brighter or duller than the other, or something like that. In a future video, we are going to show you how to deal with this ridiculous number of presets that are coming out. It's so interesting, the age of the preset, where everybody is just looking for a preset. We'll talk about that too. But right now, let's get back to our show. Okay guys, now we're back programming our A Pro editor. And we have here for L1 button, which is the one right here over on the left, L1 button, pure wheel 1, we have a channel message selected, bank select and program change, MIDI channel 2, and we've entered the numbers 89, 64 and 65. We're outputting on port 1, and we're using an unlatched button mode. Okay, so they're all going to look like this, and when we're finished, we just have to select which control map we want to download it into, and then we click transmit, and it goes right down into our A Pro along with the name of what that control map is for. You put the keyboard Roland FA-06 into the studio set mode by pressing the split and dual buttons together, and then you come over here and you unlock the lock here that locks it to its set, so that it can switch across categories without any difficulty. And you make sure that your highlight is on 1 if you're playing 1 on the FA-06, and then you make sure that your MIDI channel is switched to 2 on the A Pro. And once you've done that and plugged up the MIDI cable correctly, you should be getting it to work once you set the control memory to the correct number within the A Pro. You set the control map to the correct number that you programmed just now. So there's a lot of things to remember to get it to work, but once you've done all of that, you should be in business. Now when you press the L1 to L8 keys up here, you switch the tone on the channel 2, which is part 2 there, which is being played by the top keyboard, the A Pro. Notice I can switch it as I wish. As I press the buttons, it switches to whatever tone I want it to switch. And the S1 fader, here, the S1 fader adjusts the volume. As you can see, it's going down there on the channel 2. Whereas the S2 fader controls the level on the FA-06. So we have the level of the top keyboard, the level of the bottom keyboard, and then if we press the A1 to A8 buttons, we are able to change the tones. We are able to change the tones of the FA-06. Right. So the way it's programmed and set up right now, the A Pro is behaving like a completely separate keyboard. The tone that you're playing on the A Pro is controlled by the L1 to L8 keys, and the tone that you're playing on the FA-06 is controlled by the A1 to A8 buttons. And you have the 2 levels on top. You can get the relative level of the 2 keyboards, and you can be playing freely playing 2 different sounds on each of the 2 keyboards. So you can, for instance, set the top to be an organ, and perhaps the bottom to be a piano or strings or something like that. And we set the bottom one to a strings. Bring up the level, of course. So we have strings on the bottom, organ on the top, and full control over what tones and what sets we want to play and the levels between the 2 of them. So that is how you turn your FA-06 into a multiple keyboard stack. If you have another controller, you can add that too, and you can have that playing some other tone, because the FA-06 is a multi-timbral thing. It can play multiple tones and parts at the same time, and it has a fantastic polyphony. It's a perfect workstation keyboard for you to buy, and we look forward to sharing more with you as to what you can do with your FA-06 in future videos.